chefs are doing before the judges actually see what they've done. And
This is chicken sabaw.
all I can say is that for one of our chefs, he names his presentation Sorry Manok,
Oh, sari manok. Okay.
because when he had to kill the chicken, he told him sorry. Alright, we're gonna try our export to Tanga because we're actually going straight to the ground for this. Holy smoke, it's really hot. So for once, I'm actually gonna be this stuff in the protection of the tent. Seriously, man, it is really baking out here. Big shouts going out to the Northern Ireland Mayor's office in the house. I know Mayor Tyson is here in spirit. Going chicken again. Is Ms. Lorna. Thank you very much for coming down.
Tagasang kayo? Anong...
Let me put it this way. If you have roots in the Northern Ireland, you're representing your mayor. So thank you very much for being here.
Me, I'm cooked in my house for my husband and my kids.
And you, sir?
Now, for those of you guys involved in at home, this is pretty much something you're very familiar with. For those of you guys that have not seen this ever, I know we have the military here that changes here every so often.
What's up, hindi
What
lanaw.
you have are a bunch of brackets for our contestants in the movie race to put the crowns. The object is pretty simple. Be the first to finish the race. Your perfect crowd wins the whole thing. You just gotta make sure that it's fast. And if it is speeding, it's definitely gonna be furious. So we'll go over the rules once we get things going. Our judges as well as our marshals are going to ask each and every one of you for cooperation once this contest starts and even before it starts to give a clear path, but not drop what they do because they want to make sure they're able to judge this contest as accurate and as impartial as possible. So we thank you guys for your participation and cooperation with that. Ladies and gentlemen, there was one contest I didn't mention earlier during the festival, but it was ongoing throughout the weekend, and that was the food competition. Our judges are quietly doing their business, so good luck to whoever entered into the Pinga Best Food Competition.
Then after Umang is the Pika Fest. Pika eating contest. A burger yan, no? Who made the burger?
So ma'am, can you just tell us how'd you make this?
Soy sauce, oyster sauce, put a little bit of the sea salt. Black pepper, and then that's it. Then I wait until it's cooked. That's when I start putting them in.
So no vinegar. You use lemon instead of vinegar. So instead, no vinegar, just lemon.
What's your name, ma'am? Do you work at a restaurant?
No, housewife.
What's your full name?
Sylvia Beats.
Is it your first time to join?
Last year, I won second place. Tama yun, iusog mo ba?
Ate,
How about you po?
what company or catering? What's the name of the catering?
Kayla. Catering.
And what's your name?
I'm Sharon Magnolia.
So what do you have here? What's your
I
recipe?
have sipaw. I put garlic, onion, a little bit ginger, pepper.
What's your souring agent?
Sorry.
What's your souring agent? Your vinegar? Did you put the vinegar?
I put little bit.
A little bit.
Nice.
I put vinegar and black pepper.
Nice. Looks like they're gonna bring it down to the judges.
We got a member of our Mayor's Association here with us.
Judges. Oh.
They're the ones.
Oh, because our Mayor Blas told him if he doesn't come back, he told me.
Ilan lang sila? Apat? Ano ba? Tatlo lang? Manalo. Sila lahat. Kaya nga.
Kuya, what is your name? Where do you work? So, what's your recipe? What is this?
Pan istupaw chicken kadontika.
What did you use?
Used from the here from Ireland, the coconut milk and the lemon,
Hard work.
also the donipika, hot pepper,
Hey, Pauline told me it was your birthday, Coca's dinner.
onion, garlic, soy sauce.
Your presentation, did you make that?
Yeah, I think that.
Sa Galaxy, that beat that price. As well as $94.99 get yourself
Okay, guys, good luck.
a smart TV real quick. If you would have had that during the Super Bowl for sure.
We're waiting to get started because they will be judged.
Wait, if volume skills, just use the few.
It's Kuya Mark.
Looks like we got our first two contestants.
And then at the same time, there's the Umang race that will be held at the front of the stage.
Whoa.
Is that Umang race?
First it was like, whoa. When they told me it was 6. Then it was like, whoa. When they told me it was like 8 contestants. And then when they told me it was 10 contestants, I was like, whoa. Cherry. Oh, speaking of cherry, try out the pink cherry lemonade over at Tropics. Right over there. I wanted to try the donki that said picaru, but they told me if I was gonna try the picaru, I'd be very picara. So I'm like, okay, I'll try something else. Here we go, folks. Almost time for the first second competitive contest, excuse me. 15 minutes away from the first Umang race. Going down right here at the courtyard.
Okay, folks, we'll be back later when they start judging and when they start the Umang race. Thank you, guys.